Hi everyone, bonjour et bienvenue, I'm back passionate and today I'm really happy to see you again after some holiday break with my kids. But no worry, I have done some little shopping and today I'm sharing with you the first item I found. And what an item! It's my very first Coach bag. Yes! We got a Coach outlet in the south of France and I pay a visit to this boutique and I am so happy because I bring this back to my house. So let's unbox it directly. Maybe some of you already have an idea of what I've picked. Dun, 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 dun. I picked. In fact, I've got two items. I got this amazing Rowan bag in black leather with silver artwork. Look at this beauty. Oh, you will ask me why there is no paper protection and something else. Quite simple. When I went to the store, I showed them the bags I was interested in and I thought they will let me discover them with the display bags. And no, they go to their stock room and they bring me this bag and the other one I was interested in, all wrapped, and I unwrapped them with them. It was quite funny because I did not think about this, but yes, so I unwrapped this bag directly in the store. And yes, I fell in love at first sight because it's really light and oh my god, I love this. I really love it. The leather is amazing. The person at the shop explained me that the leather got a sort of resin to protect it. That's why it is so shiny. It got a front pocket, really practical to put the keys. A major compartment, really easy to open. And look at all this space. Inside you got a flap pocket here and again a zip pocket here. Both are really big, I think, really generous in space. So really nice. Up. Top handle, I love, but there's also a longer strap which you can remove. And look how gorgeous, even like this. I will include mud shot and I'm really in love. I am really in love. Look at it. Super cute. The other bag they unwrapped for me was the Clio 23, which is really nice, really beautiful. The only thing why I choose only this bag and not the Clio is that the Clio is heavy. Yes, that's a fact. It's super heavy. Even if you just put the short strap, it's heavy. So as I tend to not have a big weight in my bag, I prefer to choose the Rowan, which is really light. And oh yes, now look at it. It is really gorgeous. And the second item I picked in the outlet is this pouch. Look at the color. This turquoise color with silver hardware is really nice. I love it. I simply love it. I will show you now what I can fit inside, but oh my god. Look at this, super cute. I'm so excited. I'm so happy to have them. Okay, I used this tiny bag this morning to bring my kids to school back. So I will transfer all my items to this one just to show you, because it is spring now, and maybe I'm going to use it a little bit when it will be some rainy days or something like that. But I think for spring I will have less use, but it's okay, just to show you what can fit inside. So let's check, because oh my god, so the space is so generous. I love it. My wallet, my coin purse and my card wallet. But you know what? I will transfer to my channel one, because look at this. How gorgeous it is with silver hardware. I think it matches so well. Yes, I will directly, I got some cards, but I will put all the other cards empty. So directly, as told you, you can fit a bunch of things inside. Oh my god. I'm really in love. I think it matches perfectly. So there's two cutie. In the pouch, I will put my mint. I got my Hermes lipstick, something for my nose, you know, because sometimes in spring you have to protect your nose from pollen, we say in French, I don't know the word in English. And some tissues. Look at this. It fits perfectly. So this cute pouch goes in, and look at this. I got all this, and there is still a lot of space. So, of course, my phone, I will put it in the, oh, it's black on black. I don't know if you will see, but I put it in the flap pocket here, and it fits perfectly. I can also add my Lancaster pouch, where I have my tiny notebook, some hand sanitizer, and a shopping bag. And of course, this one can fit. Oh my god. Look at this. Oh my god. Everything fits perfectly. And here I can put a tiny bottle of water. Oh, I love. Because I have shown you some of my teeny bag, but I also have some bigger bag when I work or when I have some meetings, but this one is super great. Look at this. I will give you the dimension. So 27, I will put in inches, no worry. 27 centimeter, the height 20, and the wide 15. So yes, it's perfect for everyday use. So easy to grab and go. So I love it. I simply love it. And yes, this touch of silver, I think it's super elegant. And yes, maybe you have seen this bag a million times, but it's my very first one. I am so happy to have it, and I have to show you. And oh yes, the price. So all the shops in this big outlet center made sales, and I got this bag. It was the final price with the sales was 189 euro. But in this period for spring, they have done an additional sale, and finally I paid this bag 125 euro. Amazing for a leather bag, amazing price. So and even the pochette also, I finally paid it 39 euro, and it usually costs a lot more. So that was a big bargain, and oh my god, I love it. I love it, I love it. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, do not hesitate to give a thumbs up, and please do not hesitate to comment if you already have this bag, if you intend to buy this bag, or if you have another Coach bags which you are in love or you dislike. Maybe you please comment. I'm happy to hear about you and your Coach story. Yes, please tell me, which was your very first Coach bag? Mine is the raw one, and I really hope to add more because I'm really happy, and I think the brand deserves interest. So please do not hesitate to comment. And well, stay tuned, because as I told you at the beginning of the video, I went shopping, so I have some tiny new things to show you. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Merci d'avoir regardé. Je vous souhaite une agréable journée et je vous dis à bientôt. Bye guys!